Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning. Good morning.
Morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Turn on your camera, Viha and Arush. Turn on your camera, please. So, children, as you know, that we have already started our chapter number 6, Young Sailor. In that chapter, we are learning about the multiplication, column method of multiplication. Then we are learning about money. In the last class, we have already started about the money, right?
And ma'am,
Yes.
loan also.
Yeah. Loan also we have done. Yes. So why are we learning about the money in this chapter, students? One, what we have learned about the money in the last topic. In the last class, what we have done about the money? Yes, Shivani.
Excuse me.
Ma'am, in last class we used money for to guess that how many notes we need to make 100 rupees, 20 rupees.
Hmm. Okay, so we have learned about the introduction about the money, right? In the last class. Yes, Dhwani, you want to speak something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, at Friday I was out, so I send you a mail to send me a recording.
Okay, I will check or do one thing. You can send me the mail again. I will give you the recording. Okay, write the date also.
Okay.
Laksha, are you paying attention, bacha, in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
You have learned the table of two.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20.
Excuse me, mom. Ma'am, my
Sorry, yes, please speak.
ma'am, I am confused in the rupees and paisa.
What are you confused in the rupees in pesa?
Ma'am, the rate list is waste paper is rupees 4,
Hmm.
and now it is given B 23 kg of waste paper. So how we will find it the price?
Okay, wait a minute. Let me take the textbook. You are asking from the textbook, right? Yes, you are. Yes, Pritika, what are you saying? Can you repeat again? Your mic is off.
I was saying that there is a rate list on 64 page.
Yes.
It is waste paper rupees 4.
Yeah, per kg, 1 kg.
Yes.
Yeah. And 23 kg waste newspaper का cost क्या होगा?
Yes.
23 multiplied by 4.
Okay. So which answer we will get? It is the rupees.
Rupees only, yes. Okay. Now we are going to learn about the conversion of money. Conversion of money. What do you understand by this topic? Who will explain me? Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Dhwani.
Yes, ma'am. Conversion of money means that rupees into paisa, paisa into rupees.
Yes, very good that you are clear with the topic that conversion of money means converting rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. But why we have to learn? Hare, yes, please. Why we have to learn? Why are we learning about conversion? क्यों जरूरत पड़ रही है हमें पढ़ाई करने की?
Ma'am, because we we will go to buy something, then we will some we will give some money to him, and that is extra. And
Those who are keeping their camera off, they please leave my class. Those who are keeping their camera off, please leave my class. Otherwise I am going to remove you. Viha and Hia, please turn on your camera, both of you. This is the last warning. Otherwise, directly without bringing to your notice, I will remove you from my class. Here, sit with your maths notebook. We are going to write today in the notebook. Viha also. Viha, turn on your camera, bacha. Turn on your camera, otherwise I will remove you, bacha. Please, sorry then. Then it will be a loss. You will not able to join my class back. Yes, Are. Why we have to learn the conversion of money? हमें क्यों पढ़ने की जरूरत पड़ रही है conversion of money?
Because we will go to buy something, then we will give some money extra to shopkeeper, and they will give us that extra money.
See why? Sometime what happened? Anyone else? Yes, Dhwani, can you explain me? Why are we learning?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. If we went to the shopkeeper and uh, example one glitter pen is of 26 rupees, then we have to take four same pens, so we have to do it.
See, sometime what happens? Some things are in rupees and something rupees and paisa both, right? So हमें convert करना money को आना चाहिए. For example, one child got, there is a I'm going to tell you one story. Grandmother gave 2 rupees to Shivangini, right? And the grandmother of Earth has given 50 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 50 paisa plus 50 paisa. She gave 4 times 50 paisa, 4 coins of 50 paisa to Earth.
2 rupees.
So both are equal or not?
Yes, ma'am. Both
Yes,
are
ma'am, it's equal.
Both are equal.
Both are equal, ma'am.
Yes. This is also rupees 2 and this is also rupees 2 when we are converting the 4 50 paisa coins into the rupees. Yes.
How? Two, ma'am.
Yes.
Two.
Oh, sorry.
2 rupees.
450 paisa coin makes the 2 rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dhwani. 1
no,
rupee
ma'am,
equal to 100 paisa. Okay. So 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50, it is 200 paisa.
200.
So 200 paisa
200.
makes how many rupees?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Yes. So you know the conversion also कि कैसे अगर for example one child is having 5 rupees, another child is having the 5 rupees in the coins, right? So that if you want to make it similar, whether they are same or not, then you want to learn the conversion of money. Got it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm confused.
Complete your sentence, Dhwani.
Ma'am, I'm confused in that rupees and paisa.
Why you are confused in rupee? Where you are confused? Tell me.
To mean 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa that time. If there is 25 or that
20 we are going to do that also कि 25 अगर rupees है तो उसको कैसे पैसे में convert करेंगे, right?
yes.
That is our today's topic.
Take water.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, that's why only I asked you for recording of Friday.
Yes. So now first
Ma'am, you're stuck.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
Ma'am, you are stuck and your voice is also not coming.
Ma'am is stuck.
converting.
Ma'am, your voice is cracking and you were stuck also.
I'm you again stuck.
And your
Now,
board
am
is
I
coming
audible?
down.
Ma'am, you are blurred.
My dear, for 2 minutes, my network issue was there. Now, please check everything. Now, please check and show me thumbs up whether I am visible or not. Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am, you are
no?
visible.
Asta,
Yes.
busy
Yes, ma'am.
somewhere. I'm asking something. Answer me. Am I
Yes.
visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Properly.
Thank
And
you.
why you also not cracking?
Write it in the notebooks. Open your notebooks,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone. Open your notebooks. Asta and Art, I can see your notebooks are not open. Now mute your mics, everyone. Arav Apani, I want to know why you were absent in the classes.
Ma'am, we have to
Closely
open
mute your mic,
notebook or
please.
textbook.
Notebook.
Because ma'am, I'm sick.
Okay, you need to send the mail, bacha. You need to inform to the teachers. Okay, when you are not attending the classes. So converting rupees into paise. Now suppose if you have 1 rupee, rupee 1. Always remember rupee sign will come before the number and paisa sign will come after the number. Mute yourself if still someone mic is on. Moin Kuledi, mute your mic please. Rupee 1. Moin Kuledi will answer me. 1 rupee equals to how many paisa?
100.
Yes. So how you will find out? 1 multiplied by 100 equals to 100 paise. Same way, if it is 2 rupees, so 2 multiplied by 100 equals to 200 paise. Same way, if the number is big, 55, 75, 85, 15, 20. If the number is big, always multiplied with the 100 to get the paisa. Got it? Lakshya Dola, rupees 85. Convert it into the paise. How many paisas it will be?
Ma'am, 800.
800. कैसे बच्चा?
No, ma'am,
85. 85 multiplied by 100. So how many paisa?
8500.
Yeah, 8500 or 8500 paise. Got it? Dhwani, this topic is clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Always convert rupees into paisa multiplied by the 100. So it can be whichever number. It can be 100 rupees. It can be 1000 rupees. And how to convert 1000 rupees into paisa? Always multiplied with the 100. Got it? Write down fast. Then I will move to the next question.
Ma'am, I have written.
Question number 2. Convert.
Ma'am,
There are 4 situations which I am going to explain you today based on rupees and paisa. Convert rupees into paise. Convert rupees and paise into paise. For example, can I raise the question first only? Only the question, not the explanation?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
कन्वर्ट रुपीज एंड पैसे मीन्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपके पास पैसे और रुपीज दोनों हैं सपोज मोहम्मद मोमिन इज हैविंग 36 रुपीज एंड 50 पैसे सो पैसा विच इज ऑलरेडी इन पैसा उसको तो कन्वर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है यू ओनली कन्वर्ट द रुपीज इनटू द पैसा एंड ऐड द पैसा इन दैट सो व्हाट you will do the situation is rupees 36
multiply by.
yeah what you will do 36
Multiply by 100. 100.
so it will be 3600 plus 50 which is already in paisa 3650 paise is the answer 3,650 paisa is the answer. Can anyone explain me one more example based on this situation?
Coming blood.
But it will come perfectly within 1 or 2 seconds.
Ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Harsh Keshwani, please try one example based on converting rupees and paisa into paisa.
Yes. I have uh, 24 rupees and
Yes.
30 paise.
So, how many total paisas you have?
I have total paisas. Ma'am, 130.
No, 130 कैसे होंगे बच्चा? जब रुपीज और पैसा दोनों हुए आपके पास and you need to convert it into पैसा, I will give you a shortcut hint also. Just remove the decimal and club them together. 3,650. So अगर आपको ये लॉन्ग मेथड से नहीं करना, you are not doing by multiplying and adding, just remove the decimal. So answer will be 2,430 paise. Got it, student? The shortcut trick also. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or if you want to do with the long method, so 2024 multiplied by 100 is 2,400 plus 30 will be 2,430 is the answer.
Ma'am, I can try one.
Yeah, Pritika, try one example.
Yeah. 55 rupees and 60 paisa. So first we have to do 55 multiply by 100. Then it will give 5,500. Then we have to plus 60. It will be
5,560. Okay. And children, अगर ये long cut method से आपको multiply नहीं करना है, just remove the decimal, remove the rupee sign, put a paisa sign, so it will be 5,560 paise.
Ma'am, can I tell one?
Yes, Dhwani.
Ma'am, after that can I tell
Others, if they know the answer, write it in the chat box. If they know the solution, like I want from everyone one example based on this situation. Fast. Box.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell?
Write it
Yes, this you need to write it in the notebook.
and
Yes, ma'am.
that one is telling that one.
No, that you don't need to write. That I am just explaining you. Let me take the attendance for a minute. Yes, Dhwani, you please continue.
I have 23 paisa and
23 paisa or 23 rupees?
23 rupees and 30 paisa. So it will be 2,330 answer.
Yes. Remove the decimal, remove this, so it will be 2,330 paisa. Got it? I'm going to erase this. I'm going to write the third situation now, third question. Please fast. Vedi, write it in the chat box if you know the answer. Okay? After the class, I will read the chat box also. I am expecting from everyone. Yes, Shivani.
I have 36 paisa.
Okay. 36 paisa or 36 rupees? The situation is rupees and paisa. Both things you have.
36 rupee
Huh.
and
Yes.
5 paisa.
Okay. So 5 paisa, how you will write? 50 or 05?
05.
Yes, 5 paisa. So it will be
365.
my dear, check how many paisas it will be. As I told you, you are writing 05 and it is a single digit number, 5 paisa only. So you will write 05.
3,605.
Yes, it will be 3,605.
I was also telling that only thing.
Got it, Shivangini? Now I'm going to
But now
write the
can I
third
write?
situation. No, I will ask from the next situation now. Convert convert paisa into rupees now.
Ma'am, you are showing that we have to write.
Yes, third question. Convert paisa into rupees. Now अब आपके पास पैसाज है. For example, you have 200 paisa. How you will convert it into the rupees? Raise your virtual hand. Raise your virtual hand. Yes, Vedi. 200 paisa equals to how many rupees?
200 paisa is equals to 400
Rupees.
400 rupees.
sorry, 2 rupees.
Huh. How you will find out 200 divided by 100 when you do? Because 1 rupee equals to 100 paisa.
100.
So 200 divided by 100. And when you are dividing any number with the number which is having zeros, so zeros to zero cancel away. You write like this, no? 200 divided by 100. 0 cancels, the answer is 2 rupees. And whenever you are writing rupees, always write the rupee symbol before the number. And when you are writing paisa, always write the paisa after the number. So whatever I have done, remove this and write it in this way. Divided by 100, you will get rupees 2. Suppose if I give you 1500 paisa, raise your virtual hand if you know the answer. I will ask from you. No, I will not. Yes, Earth. Earth, 1500 paisa equals to how many rupees?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 15 paisa.
1500 पैसा तो है ही, अब रुपीज में कन्वर्ट
15
करना.
rupees. 15 rupees, ma'am.
15
50
rupees,
rupees.
not paisa. Okay. Or yeah. So
Ma'am,
1500 divided by 100 equals to rupees 15. Please write it in your notebooks fast. Yes, from the beginning, Vedi, I'm telling that you need to write whatever I'm writing on the board. If you waste your time to ask only, then you will not able to complete your work on time. 200 paisa equals to, you don't need to write the example which I'm asking from the students, but the example which I'm writing here on the board is compulsory to write in the notebook. Arav, Hapani, everyone is doing in the notebooks. Diva.
Yes.
Yes. Diva, 3700 paisa equals to how many rupees? Children, इसका भी एक shortcut method है. Remove the 2 digit from the last. अगर zeros है, so it will be, if I am asking now, no, don't write the example which I am writing here. Don't write this. Diva, she left the class. Yes, Moksh, 3700 paisa. How many rupees, Moksh?
What, ma'am?
3700 paisa equals to how many rupees?
37 rupees.
Very good. Remove the 2 digit from the back, the 37 rupees.
Ma'am, Mohammed said the answer.
Who gave the answer? Mohammed Momin. I am asking for Moksh Bacha.
Ma'am, and Diva also has joined also.
Okay. So please complete this, then I will give you the another situation. And please do practice on the situation which I am giving you, the 4 different situations. I am sending you a worksheet also today on the same topic. If you have any doubt, ask in the next class. Got it, everyone? There is one more example. Question number 4 is pending. Please complete fast. Okay, now I'm going to erase this. Write the question number 4. Convert paisa into rupees and पैसे. अब आपके पास convert, for example, you have 3,675 paisa, right? 3,675 paisa you have. How you will convert it into the rupees and paisa? Divided by 100. 3,675 divided by 100. When you divide any number by 100, you remove the last 2 digit into the paisa. You take the last 2 digit into the paisa and the remaining digit will go in the rupees. So if
Ma'am?
I am asking, yes,
Ma'am, your camera is off.
my camera is off, students.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's off.
No, ma'am.
It's here.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Asta and Artha, I request you, you both are not writing, someone else is writing at your place, bacha. Which is
No,
not
ma'am.
good. Bacha, I can see everyone. You both are not writing and not paying attention in my class. From next time onwards, then I will not allow you to sit together. Okay? Sit properly. Open your notebook and you write, both of you. I don't want any other person can write. Convert paisa into rupees and paisa. So it is already in paisa, students, divided by 100. So how many rupees and how many paisa it will be? When you are dividing, Arav Apani, can you answer me?
What, ma'am?
Can you answer me that if you have 3,675 paisa, अगर आपको उसको 100 sorry, if you want to convert it into rupees, so आपके पास कितने rupees है?
₹75.
कैसे बेटा? 3,675 पैसा है ये, तो आपके पास 75 रुपीज कैसे होंगे? Divided by 100. When you are dividing any number by 100, the last 2 digit will go in the paisa and the remaining digit will go in the rupees. So it will be rupees 36.
rupees and 75 paisa.
Yeah, it will be 36
rupees and 75 paisa.
36 rupees and 75 paise. Either write it in this form, or when you are writing in this form, rupees 36, then you put the then you put the decimal sign and write the 75, this dot. When you are putting this dot, then no need to write the paisa at the back. आपका गलत हो जाएगा पैसा अगर आप ये लिखोगे तो पीछे. ये one way of writing this, and the another way of writing is this. When you are writing this dot in between the rupees and paisa, then no need to write this paisa at the back. नहीं लिखना.
Write the both.
No. Yeah, you write both the ways. Both the ways you can write. But when you are writing this way only the answer, then you don't put the paisa at the back. This will be wrong. This decimal itself is understood that now before the decimal the number is in rupees and after the decimal is in paisa. Got it, everyone? Show me thumbs up if you all are clear. Okay, Pragyan will tell me. Pragyan, tell me one example on this situation, fourth situation. Pragyan, fast. Tell me one example of the fourth situation. Laksh, here turn on your camera.
Ma'am, can you
Here,
situation?
just a minute, Pragyan.
Say again.
Here, wait, Pragyan. Here, आपको reminders देना बहुत जरूरी है क्लास में. Every time बच्चा मैं क्लास में आने नहीं दूंगी अगर इफ यू डू लाइक दिस. You just coming for the time pass and for your attendance in the class. I never see your work. You never show me your work. You never participate in the class. You just coming for the attendance in the class. Um, yes, Shivani, turn on your camera and sit. Vedi, turn on your camera and sit. Okay, Vedi is asking if they are 5-digit number. Vedi, if they are 5-digit number, look here. Can you give me one example on the base of 5-digit? I will explain you. I am explaining here. Don't write. Don't write, students. I don't have space, so I am explaining here. Yes, Vedi.
3, 6, 7,
3, 6, 7,
7, 8, 5.
8, 5. Yes. So always remember when you are dividing any number by 100, because when you convert paisa into the rupees, you need to divide it with the 100. So when you are dividing, only the 2 digit will go in the paisa, remaining will go in the rupees. Remaining में फिर चाहे कितनी भी बच जाए, 4 बचे, 5 बचे, 6 बचे, that any remaining digits. But always 2 digit will go in the paisa. So it will be rupees 367.85. When I am putting point, means automatically the 85 is the paisa. Got it, Vedi?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Arush, you please send me the mail.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
If there is 850 there,
Where?
so we will take 36 in rupees and the 850
Tell me the
in
number.
the
Tell
paisa.
me the number. Tell me the number. Let me write the number.
36 rupees
36.
only in paisa, and the 850.
How much is the paisa together? कितने पैसे हैं आपके पास? Pritika, I'm asking, tell me the paisa.
Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, 850.
850. So 850. 36850.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me what will be the paisa and what will be the rupees.
So, ma'am, 36 will be the rupees.
No. आपको पैसे में 2 डिजिट ही रखनी है. That you remember. उसके बाद जितनी भी डिजिट रिमेनिंग होंगी वो सब रुपीस में जाएंगे.
Okay. So, 50 paisa and 36,
368
368 will be
rupees
rupees.
and 0.50 when you put the automatically point means decimal means the next number is are in rupee. Paisa, sorry. Got it, everyone?
Then 46,500 is there. So,
Okay, wait, let me write. For these are the example I am writing. No need to write, students. 46.
46,500, ma'am.
46,500. So you tell me how many rupees and how many paisa, Mohammed?
Ma'am, 500 paisa,
No, how 500? Only 2 digits.
250 paisa,
No, 50 paisa.
00
Yes.
paisa and
Yes.
46 rupees.
46 कैसे बच्चा?
4,000.
No, 4,000. 2 डिजिट पैसे में जाएंगी, बाकी जितनी भी रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स हैं वो रुपीस में जाएंगी.
465 rupees.
Yes, 465 rupees. 0.00 means 0.00 means there is no paisa in the paisa side. Got it? Got it, Mohammed? Clear, everyone? So today I am going to send you the worksheet based on the concepts which we have covered today. Please complete it and send me.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arav?
can I give one example?
Yeah, please.
3,000.
Let me write. You are giving on this situation only?
Yes, ma'am. 3,456.
Hmm. Yes. 3,456 paise, yeah?
Yes.
So how many rupees and how many paise?
34 rupees 56 paisa.
Excellent. Thank you. Okay, students. Thank you for today's class. You can leave now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, man. Have a good day.
Thank you.